If you've ever found yourself wondering, how do I see every task in my ClickUp team space, whether it's assigned to me or not? This is the video for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to view all the tasks in your workspace, plus how to filter down to just the ones that matter to you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel much more confident navigating your team's workflow and you'll never miss an assignment again. Let's jump right in. First up, if you want a bird's-eye view of every single task in your team space, regardless of who's assigned, head up to the top of your team space page. You'll notice a button labeled All Tasks. Go ahead and give that a click. This feature is incredibly powerful because it breaks down those silos. You can scan everything happening inside your workspace at a glance. Whether you're a manager keeping tabs on project progress or just curious about what your teammates are working on, this view gives you total transparency. For example, say you're collaborating on a big launch and you want to identify tasks that might be falling through the cracks. All Tasks lets you spot those immediately so nothing gets overlooked. Now, let's say you only care about tasks that are specifically assigned to you. Maybe you're streamlining your personal workload, or you just want to double-check your own responsibilities before a busy week. Look over on the top right corner of your project window, and you'll see the Filter button. Often it looks like a small funnel icon. Click that and then choose My Tasks or the option to filter by your own name. What this does is instantly narrow the entire workspace down to show just the tasks assigned to you personally. You won't have to scroll through dozens of tasks that aren't relevant. This view keeps things focused and manageable, especially if your team is handling multiple projects at once. Don't worry if you don't see any tasks at first. Sometimes you may need to refresh the page or double-check that you're set as the assignee on your tasks. Here, another helpful trick. On the left side of your ClickUp interface, you'll find a section labeled My Task. Click that and you'll get an even more personal list. These are tasks exclusively assigned to you, displayed in a streamlined sidebar. It's sort of like your own mini dashboard just for your work. So if you're someone who loves efficiency or you're trying to batch your daily tasks, this sidebar can be a real game changer. You can use it as your to-do list for the day and make sure you're always on track. That's really all there is to it. An easy, reliable way to see every task in your team space, plus the ability to zero in on your personal assignments whenever you need. The beauty of ClickUp is how flexible it is. You can quickly toggle between the big picture and the details, so you're always in control of your workflow. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you learned something new, go ahead and hit that like button. Got a question about ClickUp or want more tips on managing tasks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.